wildest thing you've seen an intern do at work. So, I used to work in this mid-sized marketing agency. You know the vibe. Open plan office, bean bags no one uses, passive-aggressive Slack messages, and a fridge full of LaCroix and Olipop nobody likes, but everyone pretends to because it's healthy. It's Monday morning, and we're all dragging ourselves in when my boss walks out with this wide grin like he just bought Bitcoin in 2011. Team, he says, we've got a new intern. And then this guy walks in. Let's call him Aramis. Aramis looked like someone who had watched Wolf of Wall Street once and decided it was a documentary. Who gooned to femboys once and thinks he's better than us. Slick back hair, suit way too expensive for an unpaid internship, and sunglasses indoors like he's being hunted by the paparazzi. I thought he was joking. He was not. Now the rest of us are just trying to mind our business and avoid eye contact with clients until at least 10 a.m. But Aramis came in swinging. Before he even put his bag down, he asked where the espresso bar was. Espresso. Bar buddy, this isn't a Google campus. This is a third-floor office next to a dentist that smells like fluoride and printer ink. Anyway, we try to be polite. Give him the welcome speech. Show him his desk. It's nothing fancy. Standard cubicle, creaky chair, computer that still runs Windows 8. But he looks at it like we just sat him in the middle seat on a Spirit flight. Do I get dual monitors, he asks. My manager says, not usually for interns. And he goes, well, I'll need that if I'm going to optimize workflows. Sir, you haven't even logged in yet. Now about 30 minutes into the day, we notice Aramis not at his desk. Vanished. Poof. Gone like the budget for our Christmas party. We check the bathroom, the lobby, nowhere. Until one of the girls from HR walks in and says, hey, is the new guy supposed to be giving a tour? A tour? This man, I kid you not, took it upon himself to give a group of clients a tour of the office like he owns the place. He's walking them past empty desks, pointing at random people like, that's analytics. She's the numbers wizard. And we're all sitting there like, bro, that's Kelly from accounting. And she's on vacation. So we drag him back in, sit him down, and gently explain that his job is to observe, learn, and maybe build a spreadsheet, not reinvent the company in 42 minutes. He nods solemnly, adjusts his tie, and says, got it, no problem. Won't happen again. Peace, quiet, normalcy for about 11 minutes. Because then Aramis tries to cold pitch our client. We're in a Zoom meeting. Client's going over their quarterly goals. Aramis unmutes himself, unprompted, and goes, actually, I've got a few ideas that could triple your conversions if you're willing to be bold. We all freeze. Boss turns to stone. I'm trying not to make eye contact with the camera. The client, bless her, says, oh, and who are you? He says, I'm Aramis. I just started today, but trust me, I get brand synergy. Sir, you've been here for 97 minutes, and one of those minutes you spent checking your reflection in the webcam. After the meeting, my boss pulls him into a private call. We assume he's getting scolded, maybe even warned. Nope. Brad comes out, shrugs, and says, guess I'm too innovative for the system. Like he just got rejected from Shark Tank. Here's the part that made it legendary. Right before lunch, he grabs a company mug, the kind we only give to full-time employees, and fills it with LaCroix. Then he walks into our manager's office and goes, I'm gonna be honest, I don't think this is the right cultural fit. I'll be taking my talents elsewhere. Drops the mug on the desk like it's a mic and walks out. Did bro deadass fill a cup and walk from point A to point B just to not even drink what he poured? We all sit there stunned. Like, did the intern just quit before being fired? Power move? Delusion? Both? A week later, we found his LinkedIn update. Left toxic agency environment. On the hunt for visionary teams ready for disruption. Aramis, buddy, you disrupted our Monday in the office bathroom schedule, but thanks for the free mug. Still use it to this day. Says marketing executive. Makes me feel important.